Madeira, a stunning island in the Atlantic Ocean, is a paradise of lush landscapes, rugged cliffs, and crystal-clear waters. From its majestic mountains to its serene coastline, every corner of this island offers something extraordinary. 1 year ago, parts of Madeira were devastated by wildfires, particularly in the area surrounding the beautiful Pico do Arriero. But nature, resilient as always, is recovering. The island is bouncing back with its unique beauty intact, and this area, once scarred by flames, is now a symbol of regeneration and hope. A must-see on Madeira is Pico do Arriero, the island's third highest peak. From here, the views are breathtaking. The jagged mountain ridges stretch out beneath you, while clouds swirl around the peaks, an unforgettable sight for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. If you're up for it, hiking the trails that connect Pico do Arriero to Pico Ruivo is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Another highlight is Ponta de São Lourenço, a stunning peninsula at the eastern tip of the island. This place feels like another world, wild, dramatic, and untouched by time. The hiking trail here offers panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean and the rugged cliffs of the coastline. It's a great spot for those who love a good challenge and spectacular scenery. In the charming village of Santana, you can step back in time. Known for its traditional A-framed houses, Santana offers a glimpse into Madeira's rural past. Surrounded by lush greenery and close to some incredible trails, it's a great base for exploring the island's natural wonders. Madeira is a place of contrasts, where fire once burned, life has returned, and beauty continues to thrive. It's a place where adventure, history, and nature come together in perfect harmony.